Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a signature in Outlook. Open your Outlook software and open new email. I have already typed a new email. Now select this message option. Here you will find this signature option. Select here signature and select new signature. Type here your signature name. Okay. And finally here type your main signature. Now let's change the signature font size 20. Also I will underline the signature. Now select OK and select your mouse cursor point your signature position. Now finally select signature and select show the shake option and check this signature already put it here. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.